y'all, it's your girl Isolicious with another boot cover up. But instead of doing a short boot cover up, I'm going to extend my boot cover up with a short boot. Okay, so let's pull out. We need a boot, right? Here we go. This boot cover up. Boom. You're gonna take your boot. You're gonna line it up at the edge of the paper. And being that I want my boot to be 15 inches high from the ground up, 15 inches, I measure and I cut. And then I want 2 inches in the front and 1.5 inch to 2 inch in the back, seam allowance. And then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to line it up according to this part of your boot, the opening of your boot. So you can slide your foot in. I said it 3 times, right? Or twice. So you can slide your foot in. So you're going to measure, boom. Then you're going to take your marker, or you can just take your rotary cutter, and you're going to roll. Once you got that, you have your boot cover up, measurements here, boot falls there, and then this is the extension. Okay, so now you're going to get your fabric. Okay, so what's my fabric? Here's my fabric. And being that my fabric is not like the other fabric I had, the fuzzy one, you could pretty much take your fabric, fold it like this, and this is the front seam. So I'm going to go like this, and that's the back. So this is your front, and that's the back. You're going to lay your fabric, your piece on like this. Lord have mercy, this paper is not staying. So you are going to take your fabric and your pattern, lay it on the fabric on the wrong side. You can take a marker and mark your fabric, or you can just take your rotary cutter, which I'm going to do is basically rotary cut it. So after you cut out your fabric, you are going to stitch this together on both of them. And now I'm going to come back and show you something else. How I'm going to extend the boot cover with support. So I decided to cut 2 stretchy fabric because I'm going to make a band that's going to go around my leg, like right here. And I'm going to attach this to the boot and the fur. And I will show you how I did that. I'll be back. So once you cut out your piece, you're going to take your stretch fabric and your fur fabric. You're going to put it facing together like this. And then you're going to sew that piece together. And after you sew that piece, and then you're going to turn it, and then you're going to sew the side piece together. So it should look like this. So this is the outside, well, the inside. So you're going to sew around it, and then you're going to sew it together. And then when you turn it inside out, it's going to look like this. This piece, you're going to attach this to the boot. I'll come back and show you how to place it. It's kind of tricky. So once you take your boot cover, you finish sewing the pieces together, you're going to flip it on the wrong side, right? Once you flip it on the wrong side, you're going to take the inside seam and line it up with the seam, with the front of the boot, but in the inside. So this is the inside of the boot. This is the right side. You're going to line it up like this. Take a pin, and you're going to pin it and then you're going to sew all the way around the boot cover, all the way around. But make sure everything is lined up, going all the way around. I'll be back. So now that I finished sewing the boot piece on, as you can see, and now I'm going to pull this over. Pull it over. And your boot should look like this. Your boot cover up should look just like this. The inside is lined and it's extended, so it's like almost like a sock. Boom. See? It's gonna look better once I put it on. But I'll be back. Let me do the other foot and then I will show you the picture. See ya. So here's the boot. I made some adjustments. Um, Being that it was slightly too big, so I decided to take some, made it smaller in the front, so I moved a couple inches, and at the bottom I moved about 2 inches, and then I glued around the edge, the bottom of the sole of the boot. So you still have it a little bit higher than normal because the boot normally stops right here, but when I put it on, it's gonna go up my leg a little bit, so up my calves, so it's gonna hug my calves. But this is the boot. Okay, and here's the bag, the boot in the bag, and I will be showing y'all what it looks like, and I hope you like it, and I hope that this tutorial was easy but self-explanatory. You just have to like tweak it a little bit, but I try to give you as much visual as possible. Okay, so if you have any questions, if you're not sure about something, just DM me, send me a message. I got you. Okay? Until next time, Cheerios. Bye bye. So now I'm done, and you're ready to see what the boot looked like, right? In the bag together. Okay, here we go. I'm backing up. Ooh, I'm backing up. Look at this. I'm backing up. Yes, look at this. Ooh, bag all day, new handles, a brand new bag. Where you going, girl? Yes. So I hope you like it. Like I said, any questions, hit me up. Hit me up. I got you. Okay? Later.